So we'll start, good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And bring the arms down. We'll inhale, come up onto the toes, reach the arms up, and exhale, control back down if you can. Again, inhale, coming up onto the toes, exhale down. Inhale, lengthening up, squeezing that belly button in, exhale down. Inhale, reaching up, exhale down. Now inhale, staying up onto the toes. Keep breathing, bring the arms shoulder level. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. And bring the arms back. And reach up a little bit higher. Again, so shoulder level, squeeze, back, and reach. Shoulder level, squeeze, back, and reach. Shoulder level, squeeze, back, and reach. Shoulder level, squeeze, back, and reach as high as you can, up onto the toes, and bring the arms down. And just gently roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. Then place the hands on the shoulders and we'll circle with the elbows. And the other way. And bring the arms down. So balance pose, we'll do dancer's pose. So taking hold of the left foot with the left hand, bring the right arm up. So we'll inhale and exhale, just lift about a third of the way. So we're going to do 3 on each side and gradually build up. And coming down, so do the other side. So taking hold of the right foot with the right hand, left arm up. Inhale and exhale, lift. So nice and easy to start with. And bring the leg down. So again, standing on the right, take hold of that left foot. Inhale. Exhale, lift the leg, push the foot away from the bottom. Then coming down, so taking hold of that right foot with the right hand. Inhale, exhale, lift a little bit higher. Make sure nothing hurts. Do not strain with this pose. Coming down. And we'll do 1 more each side, just to your maximum dancer's pose. Inhale. Exhale, lifting the leg, reaching forwards with that right hand. And try and keep the chest open, facing forwards. Hips facing forwards rather than twisting. and coming down. So last one. Taking hold of the right foot with the right hand, left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, coming into your dancer's pose. Remember to breathe. And coming down. Alright, standing pose, warrior one. So we'll have that right foot forward, left foot behind. So good bend in the front knee. We're going to bring the arms up, either side of the head, if that feels okay for you, or keep the hands to the chest. So push into that back foot. Try and get the edges of the foot down on the ground. And we'll come down and do the other side. So we're going to do 2 on each side. So left leg forward, right one behind. Remember that heel is down and the foot slightly angled. Front knee is bent. So you can keep the hands to the chest or bring the arms up. So hold and breathe there. Remember, nothing should hurt. And we come down. So, same again on each side. We might challenge a little bit further. So starting right leg forward, left leg back. Good bend in the right knee. Bring the hips round, shoulders facing forwards. Bring the arms up. So we're staying in warrior one, or we'll add a little challenge by looking up to the sky, which does make it harder on the balance. So hold for a few more breaths if you can. And coming down. So last one. We'll have that left foot 90 degrees and then the back foot behind, or staggered a little bit if you want to make it easier for the hips. So you come into your warrior one pose. Now if you feel steady and you want to go a little further, look up to the sky. And bring the arms down, bring the feet back to hip width, and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The crown to the sky, one hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. Try and relax the body a little more. Now open the eyes and bring the arms down, and we're all done.